Teddy bear na ibibigay niya sa'yo. Ikaw, ano naman ibibigay mo sa kanya?
Since I will get to see the Flash, pinabigay ko sa akin yung shirt. Tapos, yung gusto daw niya yung The Flash na shirt.
Wow! Flash, ha? Shirt lang ba o full costume?
Shirt
Shirt
lang.
lang. Ah,
Ay, gusto
okay.
ko ang full costume.
Approve. Guys, sabay tayo magbibilang ng 10 seconds. And countdown starts now. 10, 9, here we go! Merry Christmas, King Raymond! With only 20 plus days left. We're down with our last.
Ito, instrument. Nakakatanin nito, guys. Ano yung next item natin na iingin?
Bring me a picture of the girl.
Wait lang, wala pang go. Balik. Sabi ko pang go, diba? Balik sa upo. Go! Oh, ayun siya. Mahuli na ka. Ilang isda na huli mo. Ayan, huli na yan. Ayan, thank you so much. Ang huli.
Marco! Primary! Alam mo ba nag-text na kanina si Marco? Sabi niya, piling ko na yung surprise na para sa'yo. So, and we would like to thank, of course, some of our friends.
Because they are available at Gilead outlets, you may also purchase online by www.gilead.com.ph. Thank you, Marco. Thank you, Valerie. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, everybody. This has been your host, my name is Phil Summers. Have a great day ahead.